Today, I want to talk about how you can find a tax deed overage list. And basically, you will go to that county. There's actually three ways you can find a tax deed overage list. I'm only going to cover one, but I do cover this in my course, and it works really, really well, especially with my cohorts. I actually give you the list and we work it together. But today, I'm just going to show you our particular county. This is for one of my VIP clients I was looking for. And so the first place you want to go is the Treasurer Tax Collector Department for that specific county. And you would want to click on tax sale. Now, this one's pretty easy. As you can see, you click on the tax sale and it shows you right here. It says excess proceeds. And basically, this just gives you the proceeds claim form and instructions, but most of the time it will have a list for you. However, I want to cover something for those newbies out there. It's really important to read the details of what is required for filing a claim, because it's easy to find a list, but it's important also to know what type of claim you need to file. So that concludes my video. It's a really short video. I will do another one showing you another way you can find the excess proceeds, because this one was really kind of easy. Also, too, you can go to available parcels, and most of the time they will have what is being sold at the auction. But as you can see, they didn't have anything for 2020, so their list may not be that big for excess proceeds. But that concludes my video. I hope it helped you a little bit. If you thought this video was helpful, please click the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Hope this helps.